Hi guys, today we are going to have a lesson about division. I know some of you were willing to start with division and you are more than ready, so today we are gonna do a first lesson, like to understand the concept and how division work, and we will go little by little, okay? The materials you are going to need, it depends. I'm gonna start using this table. This is a table that I can use to divide numbers. I will explain you how it works and you will have it on canvas. And you can use just a sheet protector to draw, or some pennies. If you have pennies at home, it has the size of a penny. Or, in my case, I'm gonna use units, the blocks that I have, okay? Maybe I use also these ones to show you with bigger numbers. Let's start. I'm gonna give you some cards with divisions, so you need to look for the numbers. You have some divisions that are in your level, or pretty much your level. First one that I'm gonna do, guys, the first division we did actually were when we were working on double and half. When we were dividing numbers into halves, actually what we were doing was dividing by 2. Let's review how it works. Let's do 18 divided by 2. How to use this? Okay, so I need to have number 18, and I'm going to divide it into 2 equal parts. Okay, so the first idea is that the parts need to be equal, exactly the same. You cannot have 8 on one side and 10 in the other one. They need to be exactly the same. If not, it's not a division, actually. Okay, so let's divide 18 into 2. I'm gonna grab 18. And now, let's divide the number literally. 1 on this row, on this column, sorry, another one to the other one, and see how many can we put. Done! Here I don't have anything, so I divided my number into 2 equal parts. Okay, the result of the division is the opposite than multiplication. When we are multiplying, we have a number and we multiply it so many times, so we have the total. In the division, the trickiest part at the beginning is to understand that imagine that you have $18 and you have 2 friends. You are one and another friend to share the money. How many dollars are you going to have, each of you? This is going to be the result of the division. If imagine that this is me, I will have $9 and my friend will have $9 as well. So the division, if I divide 18 by 2, the result is going to be 9. 9 each, so 9. If we divide it, we will have 9 each. Let's try with a different number. I'm gonna do 15 divided by 3. I know some of you already know the answer. But remember, this is to understand the concept. This time I'm not going to be dividing by 1. If I divide by 1, I will have 15. All for me. I'm not going to be dividing by 2, but by 3. Imagine that this time we are 3 friends and we need to divide 15 candies between we 3. How many candies we'll have each? And I do the same. 1 for me, 1 for my friend, 1 for my second friend. 1 for me, 1 for my friend, and another one for the other friend. Me, second, third, me, second, third, me, second, third. Okay, so what will be the result of the division if I divide 15 between 3 by 3? This is me, my friend, and I, another friend. How much we'll have each? Because this will be the result of the division. Pues you just need to count or look. 5. And it's the opposite. It's like if you have 5 and you have 5 on each group, how many you will have if you are multiplying? It will be the opposite, but in this case it's dividing, so we just need to take in consideration one of the parts. And remember, they need to be equal. Let's go with a different one. $24 divided by 6. 15 plus 5, 20. 4 more. Use this kind of tricks to help you. Now I'm not dividing by 2, not by 3s, but by 6. Okay, and I have 24. 1 for you, 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 and 1 for you. Pues here I have my answer. If I have 24 and I divide whatever we are talking about into 6 groups, how many I will have on each group? 1, 2, 3, 4. If I divide 24 into 6 equal parts, I will have 4 on each group. So this will be the result of the multiplication. Let's try. I think you can, if you didn't get it very well, watch the video again until now. If you did, just keep watching. Now I'm not gonna use this. I'm gonna use this material. Okay, you have also these printables in your math welcome pack. And now let's do for example, 100 divided by 5. Imagine I have 100 pencils and I need to divide them into 5 classes. How many pencils will have each class? Let's see. If you use these materials, you could just do 100 divided into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Imagine that these are classes. Miss Hansen, Miss Gibson, Miss Sonia, Miss Lorena, and Miss Evelyn, for instance. And these are the 100 pencils we have. we need to trade this one because we cannot just divide the 100. We will need to break it apart. So how many, if this is 100, how many tens can I trade? Can I grab to switch? Exactly, 10. 1, 2, 3, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. Vale. And now let's try if with the tens it works, or we need to trade for some ones or not. A ver, I'm gonna give 1 10, 10 pencils for this class, 10 pencils for the other one, 10 pencils for the next one, 10 pencils, and 10 pencils. Okay, but we have more. 10 pencils more, 10 more, 10 more, 10 more, and 10 more. And I don't have anything. So how many pencils will have each class? We just need to add. 10 plus 10 makes 20. So the answer will be 20. Maybe we are talking about pencils divided by classes. Or maybe we are talking about whatever. I have $100 and I have 5 kids at home, so I will need to divide them into equal parts. So how many dollars will have each? 20. Okay, let's do one more. One more and done. Now, 100 divided by 4. Vale. So this time I have 100 candies, and I need to divide by 4. By 4. Imagine it's Halloween night. I bought 100 candies, and I have 4 neighbors to share with. 4 different houses. How many we will have each? Pues it happens the same. Yeah, this is 100 candies, but we need to divide the numbers and we cannot break this apart. What we can do is to trade for 10 tens, as we did before. This material is great for all the operations, but especially for multiplying and dividing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Ready to trade. And now, same process. 10 candies for this house, 10 candies for this house, 10 candies for this house, and 10 candies more for the other one. Ta-tan, 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 ta-tan. Oh. Now I have just 2 tens, and I need to divide by 4. Remember that all the parts need to be equal. What can we do? Exactly, guys, you need to trade again. I'm gonna trade this 10 for 10 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the same one with this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now we can keep sharing our candies. One for those one. We are dividing, sharing with 4. different houses, and we are gonna have the same quantity on each group. It's not fair that one home has more than the other one. Ta-da! Okay, so how many candies has each house? Pues let's count. 10 plus 10, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. That will be the result of my multiplication. Okay, so do the operations you will have in Canvas. And I know it takes time, but it's also kind of fun and it will help you a lot in the future. So take your time, enjoy the first day with divisions. Bye bye.